Hi, this is Cyril from the Creality Cloud team. It's been almost half a year since we last connected through the screen. Significant changes happened to Creality Cloud over the past few months. Several major updates have been released, and tons of new features have been added to the Creality Cloud universe. And we now have more than 0.3 million active users from 190 countries registered on our platform, which is quite impressive. So, today, I'm thrilled to be here to give you a broad overview of the Creality Cloud ecosystem, explaining everything about Creality Cloud, what we have achieved, what we are working on, and what to expect in the future. So, let's get it started. So basically, in a word, Creality Cloud is probably the world's first all-in-one 3D printing platform. It is a platform for 3D printing creation and an ever-growing community for everyone. It consists of the mobile app, the website, the plugin, and integration. There are features that we believe, if you make good use of them, your 3D printing workflow will be more simplified and streamlined, or your 3D printing habits will be changed in a good way. It's designed to be simple and elegant, and no complexity should exist. So first, I would like to talk about the Creality Cloud app. The app is actually your 3D print on the go. Using the app, you can remote control your 3D printer, change printing settings, set up a web camera to view the printing process. You can even design lithophane and moon lamp within seconds. So now let's come to 3D model library. The fact is that not all of us can design 3D models, but we all want to print some object with our printers. So it is vital that we have a place to find a great number of high-quality 3D models from different categories. So the Creality Cloud app has a cross-platform and continuously growing 3D model library where you can discover high-quality models from a phenomenal group of creators and save files on desktops or phones and build them right with your printer. We also introduced Creative Commons license system to help protect the copyright of 3D models, which are the painstaking effort of creators. So next, let's talk about the built-in slicer. The slicer, also called slicing software, are usually computer software. But our team has been working so hard to bring the desktop slicer to the mobile platform. So with the Creality app's built-in slicer, you can slice 3D models and generate G-codes on your mobiles and tablets. You can dive into customer slicer settings for granular control. You can even upload G-code files directly from Cura and print them with the Creality Cloud app. Now, let's talk about Maker's tools. So with the Creality Cloud app, you can turn your pictures into 3D STL files of lamp lithophanes and flat lithophanes. So first, we have the image to lithophane maker, enabling to design lithophane and adjust effect and contrast just like editing Instagram photos. And second, we have the moon lamp maker, which allows you to customize your moon lamp with pictures, stickers, and even text. So both tools are designed to be simple, elegant, and easy to use. What is more, let's talk about live control. You can't always be with your printer, and you cannot just sit in front of your printer all day long. You may not like to go to the basement to check your printer like every 10 minutes. So that's why we have developed live control. So connect your printer with a Raspberry Pi or the Creality box, or using printers with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity like CR10 Smart Pro, and you will be able to manage and monitor your printers in real time, wherever, with a phone. You can even modify settings as needed whenever during printing. And you can even virtually share your 3D printers with a friend, and you can print together to build objects together. And that's why Creality Cloud is also a vibrant community. Like I said before, we have accumulated a great number of users, and thanks to all of them, the Creality Cloud has already become, it is now a social network for 3D printing fans, where you can follow and stay in touch with your favorite designers, stay on top of 3D printing trends across various channels, and create or join groups to discuss and dig deep into any 3D printing topics. So, the Creality Cloud app is so powerful that it is impossible to cover all the fantastic features in just this keynote. But you can try it out. So the app is available for Android and iOS, and is free to download and use. Let's move on. Creality Cloud is not just relegated to an app. It is also a website. So on the website, there's also a model library, so you can browse more than 100,000 3D printable files and our hand-picked model collection. You can save your favorite model on desktop and slice, print it using the Creality Cloud app. And the web version of Creality Cloud also has a browser-based slicer, which means you can slice 3D models in your web browser. No extra software is needed, no installation at all. We understand you share your 3D files on Thingiverse, and you would also like it to be imported to Creality Cloud. No problem. We can take care of it for you. Using our easy-to-use transfer tool, your creations will be imported on Creality Cloud like magic. So synchronize models to our platform is magical. Now, let's talk about plugins and integration. Our goal is to cover all the usage scenarios of 3D printing, greatly improve efficiency, and lower the threshold. Therefore, we have developed some plugins and integration. First, our most popular innovation, Creality Pi for Raspberry Pi. Creality Pi is a firmware that can run on a Raspberry Pi, with which you can remote control and monitor your 3D printer. The project is available on GitHub and waiting for you to try out. Next, let's talk about plugin for Cura. I'm sure you must be familiar with Cura, and you can keep using it, but now with our plugin, you can upload G-codes directly from Cura to Creality Cloud and start printing with the app. And if you are a Creality user, I'm pretty sure you are familiar with the Creality Slicer and HoloBox. Those are desktop slicing software developed by us. And the former is for FDM printing, and the latter is for LCD printing. And we offer both Windows and Mac OS version of this software. They are so powerful that can work as this Swiss Army knife for professional 3D printing hobbyists. And our cloud integration lets you slice 3D models on a desktop and export them to Creality Cloud for printing. The last one, let's talk about CR Studio with cloud integration. So CR Studio is the companion software for the CR Scan 01 3D scanner. If you happen to have that scanner, you can scan an object in real world and turn it into a 3D model that can be uploaded to Creality Cloud and printed. So, these are some of the highlights of our plugins and integration. We hope they will add benefits to your 3D printing routine. So with all these amazing features, Creality Cloud aims to become the world's largest service platform in 3D printing. Well, in terms of what's coming next for Creality Cloud, we have exciting news to share with you. You will soon be able to provide printing service on our C2C platform to generate profit. And we will also open a 3D model store so you can start selling your designs to make money. We hope this could do good to the 3D printing community and industry. So thank you very much for being supportive since day one. Words cannot express our mixed feelings about the development in the past few months. The journey from 0 to 1 was difficult. It was never easy. And yet, every single feature we add makes us think of new improvements we are yet to implement. It's like reaching a peak of mountain and only to discover greater heights to clap from the new vantage point. That's what makes this journey so exciting. Thank you. And these are pretty much everything about this keynote. Thanks for watching. Until next time.